Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the JavaScript series. Okay, last video we saw about loops. Okay, in this video we're going to see about switch statements. Okay, let me create a new file now. Okay, switch statement.js. Okay, JavaScript file. Okay, now let me what to do is first I'll create this file. Okay, now let me first initialize a particular right variable with the help of let keyword. Okay, n equal to some one or two. So, okay, now what I'll do is right, I'll use switch statements. Okay, now okay, so switch where we can use is right, suppose right, I'm going to use the check with different browsers right in lot of automation tools like Playwright or Cypress or right Selenium, right, we use switch cases to do check with different browsers. Okay, in the base class. Okay, so there switch statements gets used. Okay, now what I'll do is right, I'll add switch n. Okay, now I'll add the conditions here. Okay, first one is case 1. Case 1 is 1. If case 1 is 1, console.log print rank 1 or first rank. Okay, if case 1 is 1, right, then I'll add the break statement as we saw in the last video. If I give break, it breaks from the loop and comes outside. If I don't give the break, it is going to go to the next case also. Okay, that's why I give a break and avoid printing the next one. Okay, I give second rank, then I give a break there, then I'll go for the case 1, case 3, console.log. Third rank, break. Okay, now I'll go for a default case also. Default means suppose it didn't satisfy the any condition, it's going to print this one, no rank. Okay, so first if I what condition is satisfied, is going to print it. Okay, let me run it. First rank, right, so it braked and came out of the loop. Suppose I'm giving 3, let me run it. Third rank. Okay, if I give some 5 or 10 something, any one value. Okay, let me run it, no rank because it didn't satisfy any condition there. Okay, so this is how we can use switch statements in the JavaScript. This can be applied to all the automation tools also. Okay, hope this small little video helped you to upgrade your knowledge. Thanks for watching the video. Meet you soon in the next part of video. Have a nice day, have a nice learning. Bye.